안녕. On rainy days like today, Koreans eat traditional pancakes called jeon with traditional rice wine called makgeolli. I don't know how or when this custom began, but when it rains, our neighborhood fills with savory scents from the jeon. Jeon, which is also called buchingge, varies in size, flavor, and ingredients, and is one of Koreans' favorite dishes. From the old kings to common people, our ancestors' long-held affection remains until today. You can mix many different ingredients such as meat, seafood, and vegetable with flour or rice flour. You can spread the batter big and thin on a frying pan and eat it with soy sauce. During Korean holidays, we make many different kinds of jeons from gogijeon, yachaejeon, himuljeon, kimchijeon, and they have to have at least 5 different kinds of jeons to be considered a proper household. But the jeon that we're making today is a little more special. It is made of potato starch instead of flour. It is healthy and very simple but tastes insanely good. Rain, potato, and rice wine are inseparable for Koreans. It might taste similar to hash browns, but in a chewy, healthy version. Now, let's prepare the ingredients. The jeon that we're making today is for 3 to 4 people. We need 4 big potatoes. We also need 3 to 4 green peppers, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. First, let's peel off the potatoes. Next, you want to grate the potatoes. Some people just use electric mixer, but my family likes to use a grater because it's chewier that way, and jeon is nothing without its chewiness. Your arms might ache tomorrow, but the labor is so worth it, trust me. But be careful not to hurt your hands as the potato pieces get smaller. It could be your fingers that you're grinding instead of potatoes, so just leave out the little pieces. Look at the pulp. Doesn't it look delicious? When you're done, add 1 teaspoon of salt and leave it for a couple minutes. While you wait, you want to dice the green peppers nicely. I used 4 because I want it to be spicy, but if you don't like the spiciness, you can just use 2 or 3. Now take your potato juice where you'll separate water and potato from it. You take the mashed potato from it and leave out the water. Here, don't throw away any water. Just leave it next to you. Now, with the mashed potato, you add the diced pepper and add 1 more pinch of salt and stir the batter. Now, look at the potato water that you've left. Get rid of the foam on top of the water and you'll see the clear juice underneath. Throw the clear water out as well. Then you'll see the white sticky substance underneath. That's the potato starch. You need this to make the 감자전 chewy. Add the starch to your batter and you're all set. Now, all you have to do is make pancakes out of the potato batter. Heat up the pan and put some cooking oil on it. Don't use butter like you do for pancakes. Use vegetable oil, such as soybean oil or corn oil, and wait until the oil gets hot. Then divide the batter and cook them into sizes and shapes you want. Wait until the edges are brownish and flip it and do the same with the other side. If you flip too many times, the chun gets too dry, so it's best if you flip it just once for each chun. All done. Place them nicely on the plate. Next, let's make a sauce for our chun. Mix 1 tablespoon of soy sauce with 1 tablespoon of vinegar and add some chili powder. One of the favorite drinks among Koreans is makgeolli. Makgeolli is made of rice, barley, and wheat, fermented and filtered out once or twice. Makgeolli is high fiber food that is very nutritious and delicious, but don't drink too much. If you can, I really suggest you eat Jipyeong makgeolli. You might find it in the H Mart. It's really the best. 감자전 is a very simple menu, but a great one, with its outside so crispy and inside so chewy. I highly recommend it to you. Thanks guys for watching this video. Enjoy your 감자전 and makgeolli. Thank you!